YouTube, it's Emmanuel from Techlnsomnia. Today I'm looking at increasing the internet speed on a desktop computer. Right now the wireless is giving 144 megabits per second speed. So the adapter is PCIe plugged into the back of this Dell Optiplex. It's a dual antenna, but it's just not giving a good speed for browsing, so we're going to increase the speed by hardwiring this desktop computer straight into the modem/router. Now I've got my Cat 6 Ethernet cable here, shielded, good quality. Got my staple gun, my staplers, my tools. Let's run this wire. So if you look at the back of the modem/router, there's one Ethernet port available. That's where we're going to be plugging in. I've plugged it into the back of the computer, tied it up nicely, and I've stapled it along the baseboard so that it doesn't get in the way. I've made sure that both doors to both these rooms can close, and just stapled it as neat as I can. Tried not to overdo it, but also not underdo it either. Got the Ethernet cable. Tried to tuck it under the baseboard a little bit here. Tied it up, and we've got it plugged into the Rogers modem/router. So let's see how the speed increased. So right now, Ethernet, we're getting 1 gigabit per second, which is 1,000 megabytes. Let's test out the speed quickly. I'm just gonna click on random links in a website. Definitely an improvement from the wireless standard. Way faster. Pages are just opening up quick. Really good upgrade. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hope you guys found value, and I'll see you guys in the next one.